whether you see your primary doctor or a specialist, the question may be, a new study is creating some controversy because doctors, or at least in the study, it's found that about 1 in 10 doctors admit telling a patient or a child's guardian something that was not true in the past year. About 20% say they've not fully disclosed a mistake to a patient because they're afraid of being sued. And that leads us to the question, do doctors ever lie?
You know, I get patients, my little kid patients, the first thing when I come into the room, Dr. Jim, am I going to get some shots? And I was like, then what am I going to say? I usually say, I am not going to give you any shots. And of course,
so you do.
Of course, if my nurse is going to give the shots later on.
Well, but that's
right,
you're not lying.
I'm trying to, I don't want to upset them.
Right.
But would you all?
It's so tough, though, Travis. As far as we live in a litigious world, and as physicians, we're always concerned with that. It's tough. Yes, if you do make a mistake, you do want to fess up to it, but.
Yeah, but sometimes that mistake has no bearing on the outcome.
Right.
It's still a positive
it's
outcome.
too much information. It's information that doesn't really make any difference.
My hope is that we're moving in a direction where all doctors are willing to admit if something goes wrong, but that the initial response isn't immediately to sue, but instead to figure out, okay, why did this happen? Let's fix it. And the more doctors are willing to do that, the fewer errors that will occur. And I think if I could plead to everyone out there, if your doctor makes a mistake, he or she is human. And the willingness to talk about it and even forgive in some instances, because some really grave mistakes are made, but never in a malicious intent. Now, again, there are some wackos out there.
Sure.
The
But
extremes, yes.
I'm very proud to be a physician. I'm very proud of the physicians I know. And for those of you at home, just understand that in almost every scenario I've personally been involved in, your doctor is trying to do the absolute best for you.